Amazon Brand Analytics is a wealth of money-making information for entrepreneurs like you and I. So in this video, I've got the fantastic Kathy Lloyd, who's going to run through a great strategy for finding Amazon product ideas using brand registry. Now, if you like this kind of information where we're helping you make money on Amazon, then give this video a thumbs up, and that way we will know that you like this sort of information and we can do more of it for you. And also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because we post brand new money-making information just like this each and every day. If you've got any questions or comments, you know what to do with those, straight down there below, and I will answer them for you personally. With that being said, let's get into it.
Okay, brand analytics, what is it? How can I get it? And what can you do with it? So what it is a dashboard that Amazon provides sellers with brand registry, and it looks a bit like this, and it's really cool. And how do you get it? Well, you have to apply for a trademark, and we have the wonderful Kate Sun in our group, and there's her link. And if you want one, she can assist you with that. She's done, she did my trademark in the US and Australia and was fabulous. So, okay. So what's so good about brand analytics? Well, what's so great about it is the data is directly from Amazon. And as the database of search terms, it's what people are actually typing into Amazon. So it's not guesstimates or anything like that. You can look at different ranges, weeks, months, quarters, or set your own range. And if you leave it open, and I'll show you what that means in a minute, you can see what's being searched the most in each marketplace. And this can help with product research. So today in the US of A, everyone in America is looking for Halloween decorations outdoors. So what I've done is I've got it on Amazon search terms. I've left the department open. And here it is. There's 2 million rows. So the number one search term is Halloween decorations outdoor, as we can tell by our search frequency rank, which works very much the same as BSR. So number one is the most searched, number two, second most, number three, etc. Then we get the first clicked ASIN and their product title. So in Australia today, Lego was the most searched term. Then PS5, face mask, advent calendar, and so on. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so how do you read the data? What's really good about this is this clicked ASIN bit. I'll just show you. Go to the next page. I will go to my screen that I have open. And here we go. So there's a number of, we're just looking at search terms today, and I've put in our favorite, Neil, dog leash.
Got to do that. So we're still looking at your slides, just so you know, we're not looking at your new screen.
Sorry, there you go. Thank you. All right, so here we are. This is a brand analytics, and I've popped in the keyword dog leash. And here we go. In America, dog leash is searched a lot. 1,106. Now, the number one clicked ASIN is this one. And I'll just slide this along. I've just got to move my Zoom tools. They're in the way. Okay, so on that, the first clicked ASIN is this one. Here, we can see that. There's his little product title, and he gets click share 15.93% and conversion rate of 16.84. Pretty good.
That's somebody making a lot of money.
Then number two, clicked ASIN, is Laddie Doggo or something like that. And his click share is nearly 10%. But he's actually converting 10.46%. And then last one is 7%. This guy, Tug, this one. So we can work out what their conversions and their click share are. Now, how does that help us with product research? Well, if we went down to our favorite, which is leather dog leash, Neil.
Mm-hmm.
We use that many times. So the search frequency rank is not as high, but have a look at Farwin. He's getting nearly 31% of the clicks.
Holy shit.
7% of the conversions. Number 2 is getting 10% and 8%. And then number 3 is another 8%. So would I go into that as a new product? Probably not, because it's those 3 ASINs are absolutely dominating.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, so it's about 54%.
So the top 3 listings are getting more than half of the market.
Correct. So what we want to look for is small, low conversions. Bob, dog training leash, number 1, I think, no, it's number 3. Number 1 is only getting 7%. So maybe it's more spread out. So that's how it can help us. So I'll head back to my slides. Yeah, so can you see my slides?
No, we're still on your screen. We're still on your brand analytics. There you go.
There you go. So how does this help us? Very quickly, you can see if there's, it can scare you away. So that's not an opportunity. If the top 3, if it's low, percentage is a good sign. If it's high, like the leather dog leash, it's a bad sign. We can check the info. So we can use this also to check information, like you can go back and have a look at the last quarter. Say you want to check Q1 for this year, then you can go back and check Q1 2020 and see what's happening, like if it's seasonal and things like that. You can also use this, you can scan for long tail keywords and look for opportunity that way. So hop in, have a go and play around. And if you want more tips on this, if you're interested, I'm happy to do another session.
Would you like another session on how to use this to come up with some product ideas? There's a lot in it, so let us know. That was fantastic, Kathy. I love that you can utilize that to go back and see what was going on a year before, what the top products were, and then compare the 2. That's a really cool tip.
You can see if they're actually gaining the number 1, number 2 ASINs, whether they were there last year, if they're gaining, more sales. The other really good tip that I forgot to mention is like that leather leash. If they're doing 37%, they are giving solutions to people, what they want. So it's a good idea to study their listing, look at their image stack. Is there lots of infographics? Is it beautifully photographed? Are there keywords there? So, they're doing really well.
Yeah, anybody converting at 37%, that's a fantastic ratio.
Yeah.
Hello there, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the largest community of Amazon entrepreneurs right here in Australia. Over 2,500 members and growing, with sales of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and how we can help you build your own money-making business on Amazon, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and I'll see you in there.